2015 Baxterly first update video. How we doing, Les?
Oh, we're doing great. Got an early start on it, so everything's going in pretty good.
Look at that. I love the color, man. So we'll be painting the red part white.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm glad you called.
And all the trim.
Yep.
So all this will be white up here, but you can see what he did here. It looks really good.
Oh yeah.
So
It's a windy day.
how's it going, man?
How you doing?
Good. He was up trimming the stuff around, but we're going to change it to white. He didn't know that.
He's mad real quick.
Yeah, and then this is all painted. We got to put some gutters on this, but it's moving along really good. Let me go inside and show you the rest. So he's got a lot of this. He's really moving pretty good on this one. He's got the cabinets already painted. He's got the guy coming in to spray. We'll get this taken out, but all this guy's going to spray through here. That door's done. He kind of roughed it all out here so we can get paint. We're going to replace that. We thought we could cover it. We're going to put a thin sheet of drywall on there, chipboard, whatever you want to call it. Here's all this. So he's got all the paint here, so all this is going to get done. And he's got the trim already going here, so you can see all the trims getting painted. Got all these off. So we got all this done here. This. You can see we're moving along. He painted the doors. All this is getting done up here. It's all going to be interior painted white. So there's going to be closed switches and lights, new lights. And we're going to put new blinds on. Then we're going to get this bathroom, new toilet. All this is going to get redone and look really good. So we want to get you an up. Let me go down to the basement. I don't think we did anything down there yet. We're focusing. We got good. When you got good weather in Ohio, you always want to get the paint, exterior paint done, and that's what we got right now. So that's why all the outside stuff's getting done right now. The inside we can always do. So let me go down here. So he's gonna get that wall pulled out so we can get that done. So he hasn't done anything down there, but everything's good. So again, this is your first update video. I'm Brett, Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Check out the websites below. Thanks and have a great day.